wonderful people, welcome back to JNCX Traxxas. Today I have this F22 Raptor Rc aircraft, and this thing is super loud. It's got LEDs underneath. If you want this plane, go check it out on Amazon. I'll have the link in my description. I'm not sponsored, but I love this aircraft so much, and we're gonna take it for a little test flight. Hun, Dad?
That's right.
Yep. Hi, buddy. Yeah, we love dogs. Hi, buddy.
Oh, man.
What's his name?
Theo.
Hi, Theo. Hi, Theo. Are you happy?
Boy, how old is he?
He's 7.
Oh.
We're gonna take it for a flight, and the LED should make it easier, and it's really fast, so.
Broken halo, broken halo, I'm getting on my broken halo, bound to follow my shadow.
We're gonna crash. Dad, look at this thing, it's sick. This thing is so loud. Like, we're gonna come back, we're gonna have some more videos on, it's pretty hard to crash too, so like watch, I can almost get it into a stall and you think it will come down and nosedive. It doesn't really nosedive once you get it about 5-10 feet in the air. So like I could do this, and then I mean obviously if you wanted to see it like stalled out, and it will do this. I always have a hard time buying planes off Amazon because I'm like, what if they're bad? So if you're looking for an RC plane, for a budget RC plane that looks cool, flies well, really loud, I would recommend the RC F22 Raptor or the F35. FX makes some really good planes. This one, I didn't even do anything to it. Ready to go out of the box. Not sponsored, I just know how hard it was to keep buying planes, taking them back, and because they weren't good. So yeah, I highly recommend this one. We're also going to be reviewing a F35 from FX and F16 Thunderbird. But I'm not sponsored, I just love this plane, and I know how hard it was to find this one, so I wanted to make it easy for my followers. And if you're enjoying the video so far, please subscribe. Bang this way. And I have crashed it a few times into like the ground with a bad wind gust, and it hasn't broken, so that's good. It's also got a rubber nose, so it's like kind of keeps the impact. It comes with 2 batteries, really nice. You do have to supply your own, AA. And the landing gear by FX, I will complain. Alright, we're gonna bring it in for a landing here. Maybe. I'm not gonna really land it on the pavement because it's gonna be kind of tough, so we're just gonna slowly. There we go. Well, folks, I would surely recommend this. It's only like 45 bucks. It's super cool. Love this plane. Oh, see, those. But yeah, I love this plane. I hope you liked it too. And punch out.